Hi, I'm Dr. Rajiv Thukral. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, visiting senior consultant in orthopedic surgery, specializing in joint replacement surgery. I sit at Apollo Hospitals in Noida in the evenings. After completing my master's in orthopedic surgery and my DNB in orthopedic surgery from Mumbai Sion Hospital, I came to Delhi, wherein I worked at Indraprastha Apollo Hospital for 3 years, after which I gradually shifted towards Max Saket, and now I'm at Apollo Hospital. I've been working here for the last 10 years. I have a total experience of more than 25 years, and I specialize in joint replacement surgery, for which I have done fellowships and specialized training in various centers in the world, including the UK, the US, Germany, Portugal, and Italy. I also specialize in sports surgery, including arthroscopic surgery of the shoulder, the knee, and the smaller joints, and I have done specialized training in complex trauma surgery as well. Thank you.